big news, guys. We are officially selling our SKT Signature Series. Now, it sounds so weird to say, and this is going to be a midweek video, and that's sort of rare for us these days. We haven't done one for a while, but we are officially selling our Caravan. Now, we're going to talk about what, who, when, why, and even tell you guys, the cat's out of the bag. We're going to tell you today what we're actually getting next time. So a lot is going to be answered in this video, and a lot of stuff is sort of changing for us. So we'll pull it off on 3, 2, 1, let's go. So without putting too many socks on too many centipedes, let's rip straight into it and let's talk a little bit about why we're selling our Caravan. Now, we designed this Caravan ourselves.
Yeah. So it was the ultimate couples Caravan. We honestly got blank paper and Urban said, design your ultimate Caravan for couples. So we wanted something that was small, could basically get into everywhere that we like to go, but also came with everything it needs. Because normally you go to a caravan show, you say, okay, I want that one, and then you add on all of these extras, and all of a sudden it's worth X amount of money and it weighs heaps. So we wanted to make a Caravan out of the box. You knew what it weighed, you knew how much it was going to be, and it just came with everything that you need to go off-grid. So you could literally pick it up and go up north anyway you wanted.
Now, that's right, and if you have been looking at the Dream Lap and our episodes in the last sort of year, you would have seen some of the places we've actually dragged this Caravan, and Sarah's right, it's the most capable Caravan that we think is on the market, purely based upon the fact that it is designed for a couple that want to go outdoors. Everything's shrunken down to the perfect couple size, and like Sarah said, it comes with things like 600 amps of batteries standard, 1500 watts of solar standard.
We basically spent no time in caravan parks last year, and we did a full lap of Australia.
Yeah.
So it shows how good it is.
To be completely honest, if we didn't turn around after a year and say it's the most well-suited Caravan we've ever had to what we do and what people that I think watch our channel want to do, it'd be an issue if we didn't say that. So the other thing to note is they are limited edition. So the SKT Signature Series came out with all these added extras, and to be honest with you, Urban had a little bit of pushback because we were trying to get the most stuff included for the least amount of money possible. So yeah, we're not business people, but if you do the math on that, you know, it's a very affordable Caravan for what you get. I want to make one thing super clear, and that is what I mean by this Caravan is affordable. I realize that this is a flash van, and it is a lot of money, especially for us people that do not even have a house. So what I mean to say is that if you take the specs of the SKT van, go around to all the premium builders and get a quote off them with these specs, these amount of batteries, solar, water, you'll be amazed at what they come back with, which is what I'm saying. This van is incredibly good value for money for what you get. And that's why Urban said you can only build 100 of these things. So to give you an update on how many they've sold, I think they've done about 65 or 70, maybe even slightly more now. Yeah, it's insane how many they've sold. And they're all getting their personal number, but we're getting a little bit off track. We are selling ours. Now, the reason we are doing that is because we do get a Caravan build slot every single year.
And we like to sell our Caravans while they're basically brand new. I mean, it's not a full lap of Australia, but we like to sell it after that 12 to 18 months and, you know, sell it while it's basically brand new. This Caravan has lasted the best out of all of our Caravans, and when we are selling it, and there's nothing wrong with it. I want to just say that blatantly. There's nothing wrong with the Caravan, the SKT 001. It's still a mint van. There's nothing broken on it. So yeah, we are selling it for that reason, that we do have another Caravan coming. Now, normally we drag yous out and don't tell you what we're getting and all that sort of stuff, but today we're going to be telling yous. But our Caravan is for sale, essentially. This video is letting people know that if you want to buy the SKT 001 limited edition SKT Signature Series, it's going to come with warranty. It's also going to come in A1 condition. ABBA's going to have their hands on it, and they're going to literally go over this thing with a fine-tooth comb. And I don't know about this yet.
Yeah, and serious buyers too. They're going to be able to come through. Obviously, you've got to be serious to come have a look at it. And yeah, full inspection is, you know, expected from whoever wants to buy it. They're going to go through it with a fine-tooth comb, but it comes with warranty. It's going to come in A1 condition. And just to stop a few tyre kickers, we're selling it for $149,000.
And on that topic, if you're not interested in buying the Caravan, please don't message us. about it because we get
smoked.
like inundated with messages every time we're selling a caravan. Sometimes it is people just being nosy, or we've even had people come and look at it and they weren't actually interested. So please don't do that. Like, it's really a lot of effort trying to sell something. So only serious buyers message about it, please.
Yeah, but yeah, you're welcome. If you are interested in it, we are giving it away for a steal, guys, and we do have a new caravan coming. So if you are interested, drop us a DM. But a few of the specs, if you didn't know, it's a 2.2 meter wide caravan, so it's in between a full size and a hybrid. It's got the craziest suspension, airbag suspension. It's got disc brakes, 720 amp hours of lithium batteries, 1500 watts of solar. It's got the craziest Victron off-grid system that's paired up with a Garmin system. It's insane, guys. Like, you can control everything from your phone. It is a no expenses spared van, and if you can find one that's more better set up for off-grid couples touring, like, let me know, because I can't find one on the market that compares to it. So like I said, yeah, $149,000. If you are interested in a brand new Signature Series as well, Urban are discontinuing them as of Christmas.
Yeah.
So you have till Christmas to buy one.
Only a few months, and there isn't many left, so
yeah, don't miss out. They're never doing that spec again in that the options that they're doing. They're never doing it again. It's discontinuing for life. They're not doing more than 100, so once the 100 sell out, they are Dunsky. You're probably wondering what we're gonna get. Now, before we tell you that, I just wanted to touch on a few things that we've got planned for the next coming months. Public warning. If you've been watching the news, you'll know that thieves have just worked out how to steal your car with technology. Whether it's a Ford, a Toyota, or Isuzu, a Nissan, doesn't matter. If it's parked and locked up anywhere, it is not safe. iThrottle have just developed a solution to that issue, and it is affordable, it is simple, and it is super easy. This is the iThrottle steering wheel lock. All you have to do is loop this device through your steering wheel like that, and then plug it into your factory seatbelt position, just like so. And now thieves literally cannot steal your car. It comes with 3 different keys, couple spares. You plug the keys in, and to disarm this, you just put it in and pull it out like that, like a cheap. Thieves are gonna hate this product. Best part about it, it's only 60 odd bucks for the iThrottle steering wheel lock, and that peace of mind is probably the cheapest insurance you'll get for your pride and joy. If you wanted a little bit extra protection, iThrottle also sell a throttle controller with a lock function that locks out the throttle so thieves cannot use the throttles. So there's only a limited amount of these on the iThrottle website. With the discount code SKT, there's no reason why anyone shouldn't own one of these.
Okay, so we're nearly at the end of the Dream Lap. It's been an absolutely incredible year, and we've had a heap of messages asking what happened to the Super Duty. So obviously the Super Duty is not our personal car, it's iTech World's car. So it went back to iTech World. It's gotten a full kit out, and if you came down to the iTech World opening day, you would have seen it. It looks completely different now. It's amazing.
Don't let the cat out of the bag just yet.
Oh.
But anyway, it looks crazy.
Yeah.
So there's more. The heaps of people asked us, did we get sued by Ford? No, we did not get sued by Ford, because they were thinking, oh, the video's just stopped. Now, it was just a little while we were home, but we're back on the road. So we stopped filming the Super Duty stuff, but we do have some videos planned coming up as well for the Ford Super Duty.
Yeah, so it's going on a big trip, towing the caravan, and it's going to be towing at least 15 hours one way, so that's a little hint.
in 40 degree heat too,
Yeah.
so that is pretty cool. Plus, after the Dream Lap, this is something I'm excited about, like really excited. We're doing a full rebuild series on Leroy, so
it's getting a bit of TLC.
which is crazy. We are a few months behind with our content, and that just gives us enough time to edit and upload them for you guys. It means that we don't have to rush things. Normally if we film that week and try to get that video up that week, it just is incredibly stressful for us. So we do have a little delay, which is great. But we're still on the road. So all this stuff is coming up. So that is coming up as well. More Super Duty content, Leroy rebuild content, which I cannot wait for. And
Last of the Dream Lap.
Last of the Dream Lap's coming up as well, which is incredible content. Some of the best content we've ever filmed.
Yeah. And then obviously the new Leroy will have to go on a trip.
The new Leroy will get a shakedown trip, and what we've got planned for Leroy, we are planning to get way more power out of it. It's going to be way better setup. It's so sick what we've got planned. I cannot wait to show you more about that.
Landcruiser brain.
Landcruiser brain activated. So that is going to be mental. Cannot wait to pull that off. Hopefully it does get pulled off. But anyway, short time frame for that. But anyway, let's get I am putting socks on centipedes at the moment, so let's cut that out and let's tell you what caravan we're getting next. Now, I almost forgot, Bush Optics, we are launching our own brand. It's a four-wheel drive product and we've been working hard on it for the last 3 years, trying to perfect this thing. It's taken a long time. We wish we had got it a lot sooner, but we couldn't rush it. We had to get it 100% right before we tell you guys about it, and it is finally here. So, a lot of you have been asking about what happened to Bush Optics, and we are launching it at the start of May. May 7th, we are launching the brand. And if you want to know more about it, head over to the Bush Optics social media pages on all the different social media platforms. Hit follow, and there's going to be a lot more information coming out. We are so excited. We think you guys are going to absolutely love it. And yeah, we are very proud to be able to show you this finally. So 7th of May, guys, is the release date. Cannot wait. And let's tell you what caravan we're getting next. Now, we have made our own caravan, the SKT Signature Series bi-urban caravans, pairing insane construction methods with our crazy ideas from people that live on the road full time. It's the only time it's ever happened in the caravan industry, and it has gone off. The success is crazy, 70 sold, blah, blah, blah. So we are getting another SKT Signature Series, and it's going to be pretty much identical. And I know that sounds really boring to you guys, but
it's such a good van. We sat down and we're like, what can we even change? There is nothing on our caravan that we would change right now. So like tiny things that have come out in the industry, like, you know, a UV water filter under the caravan.
Yeah.
There's like little things that we're like, oh, that's cool.
Tiny
but
things.
Genuinely, the layout and the size of that van, we just love it. It's so good.
And the reason, like I said, we are selling our current van that we're trying to get rid of now is because we've got this new one coming and it's the exact same, and we can't have two exact same vans. That's ridiculous. So we need the money from the first van to buy the second van. And yes, we still buy our vans, even though we created this van to stop the rumours getting spread around. We do pay for our vans, guys. So yeah, we need to sell that one to get this new one, which we cannot wait for. So like I said, if you are interested in buying our current van, there's nothing wrong with it. It comes with warranty, and we'll give you a ripper deal on that. We are negotiable on price, so $149,000 negotiable. So,
and just message us on Facebook or our email. We'll put the email up on the screen right now. But yeah, like we said, only message if you're very interested.
Now, should we change the colour of the next van? I don't know. You guys let us know, what should we change on our next SKT. We can do little things like that, but the majority of the van will be the exact same, just purely because we love it and we think it's the best setup caravan on the market for couples that want to go adventuring a bit chaotically and get to those places that literally other people can't. The Arnhem Land series is just about finished. It's wrapping up too, guys. It's absolutely insane, that joint. We had such a ball. Well, that was a big tree, fell over.
All right, your ADHD is hasting.
All right, well, so that's the cat well and truly out of the bag.
We've got some epic content coming up this year, so if there is anything in particular that you'd love to see, make sure you let us know down below, because we're always keen to do different trips. But yeah.
And we've got a Q&A coming up too, so drop your comments in below that you want answered, anything that's, you know, teething you that you want to know the answers to. We're fully transparent, guys, and like I said, that's why we've told you that we pay for our caravan, the reason why we're selling it, and we get a build slot every year. We love to be transparent with you guys, so if there's any dying questions you have in the comments, we'll do our best to answer those, and cannot wait to bring you up to date with what we've been up to. It's insane, and it's definitely going to be worth the wait. Thanks, guys. See you next time.